Hi, I'm Curt Frye. I wanted to take a break from some of the longer, more involved videos that I've been creating and show you a fundamental skill that you will find to be very useful, and that is to identify the row and column of the cell you're operating in. I have opened a file from a previous movie. It's called Logic, but you can work with any file that you want. And let's say that I click cell F7. I can see which cell has been selected. It has a border around it. And if I look closely at the column header, I see it's column F. And then I can also look to the left and see that it's in row 7. The column and row headers are slightly different in formatting than the ones surrounding them. That said, it's not that easy to identify the column and row header that identify the cell here in F7. You can get a better look using a new feature built into Microsoft Excel. So I'll go up to View, and then in the Show group, I'll click Focus Cell. And what that does is highlight the row, in this case row 7, and the column, column F, and it gives you a very clear indication of the active cell and where it appears in the row and columns. If you want to change the color of the highlight, then click the Focus Cell Controls down arrow, point to Focus Cell Color, and then select a different color, let's say orange. And just one more, Focus Cell Color and purple, and there we go. And you can see that Excel doesn't put in a heavily saturated purple. If you look back at the color palette, you see it's quite dark. However, if you look at how it's applied in the worksheet, then it's fairly light, more like a lilac. And if you want to turn off the focus cell highlighting, you can click Focus Cell, and it's done. I'll click Focus Cell again and change to D5 and then down to E12, and you can see how much easier it is to determine the column and row of the cell that you have selected. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel.